Hey, welcome back to Rosco Reviews. I am Rosco, and on a previous episode, I showed you how to install a Schlage Encode Smart Lock. I've been using these Schlage Encode Smart Locks for years. I use them on my personal home, I use them on my rentals. They are absolutely fantastic, and I cannot recommend them enough. These do require batteries, and so in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to install the batteries on your Schlage Smart Lock. So this is the Schlage Encode on my own personal home. I get about 5 to 6 months out of a set of batteries in this, but it will depend on how often you use the lock, because it does use the motor in there to slide the bolt back and forth. And if you're doing it a dozen times a day, then it will run the batteries out a lot faster. To get to the batteries, we'll just remove this top cover. The battery compartment is right inside. Go ahead and swap these out for some new batteries. When you're putting the new batteries in, you need to make sure that they go the right way. There is a diagram on the back that shows you which way each battery goes, but the negative side, or the flat side of the battery, goes toward the spring. So slide it in there just like that. Next battery. One more. We're ready to slide this back into the lock. With the new batteries in, we can slide the battery compartment right back inside. After a few seconds, you'll hear it beep. I just heard it beep, so now I will go ahead and close it back up, and I'm all set, good to go for another 5 to 6 months. Again, I think these Schlage Encode Smart Locks are absolutely fantastic. I will put a link for these in the description of the video. I use them all the time and they are wonderful. If you are looking for a smart lock, the Schlage Encode is definitely the way to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.
Rosco.